Want to keep working your way over? What's going to happen? Are you stuck? You just have to get your foot past the cube. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, are you going to just sit on the cube? Okay, there we go. All right. Let me help you a little bit. All right, there you go. There you go. Ah, now you're cooking. Good boy. Look at you. Now go slow. Go slow. You're doing good. You move over slowly. Oh, you want to go that way? Oh. There you go. You fell into doggy. Look at that. You did good. Here you go. That was perfect landing right on the doggy. Nothing's going to get you down. Now, which direction do you want to go? Want to come this way?